How to find and remove viruses on Android. So if you want to go ahead and remove any type of viruses on your Android, there's 2 to 3 things you can do. Now, the first and most basic thing that most people do is they install an antivirus software. Now, this is something that I don't really recommend the strongest because antivirus softwares do take a lot of storage on your device because they're like really integrated into your files, but they work like a charm though. Basically any type of virus that is going to be found in your phone, it will clean it. Now, the best out of all the viruses that you can find on, Google Play Store is going to be Malware Bytes. This is one that I have fully tested and worked along with. So either use Malware Bytes or any other software that you're aware of, but the best is this one. It's 30 megabytes and it works incredibly. So any type of junk in your phone, any type of viruses, it will remove. Now, that is, of course, the antivirus way. Now, the other way that you can fix this is by yourself through the settings. Now, in your settings, you're going to go over to the app section. And in the app section, mostly what happens is you normally get viruses through apps that are unauthorized. So let's say my Revelio app is totally unauthorized. What you can simply do is take away all of the app's permissions. Now, this is in the case you still want to keep the app. Just take away all the permissions, and taking away all the permissions is gonna simply remove the virus itself, because in that case, the virus will not have any thing to attack on and not have anything to be putting itself in. Or the best fix is, if you want to totally remove it, just uninstall it from your phone and you're good to go. So that is how you can find and remove viruses on your Android phones. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.